Ready to meet Ben again? Last time we saw Ben, he was lost and confused about how to become wealthy. But then, he stumbled upon Profit Pointers. He watched their video and finally found the inspiration to take action. He started with the first step to becoming rich, which was getting a job. But he had no source of income, no experience, and no degree.
Do you have a resume?
No. I don't.
I'm sorry, but we can't consider your application without a resume.
Ben realized he needed a resume, so he went back home and watched the Profit Pointers video on making a killing resume. With his new resume in hand, Ben went back to the restaurant and got an interview.
So, why do you want to work here?
Thanks to the tips and tricks he learned from Profit Pointers' video on killing an interview, Ben aced the interview and got the job. Ben just passed the first step in becoming rich. But this is just the beginning. In the upcoming days, we will see Ben dealing with the next steps. Stay tuned for more updates on Ben's journey to wealth and financial freedom, which is brought to you by Profit Pointers. Think outside the norm.